We are part of the Peterborough Curriculum Project, and we're here at Town Hall today to do a massive event about improving Peterborough and the fact that our children are the future in Peterborough. We've had some great help from the RSA to facilitate getting everybody together, and our school partner, which is John Turner from Railworld, has put together an amazing agenda, from the Mayor being here to workshops by PECT, the Environment Agency, and all of us school staff have really embraced the idea that Peterborough can be the basis of our curriculum. No matter where you live in the world, no matter what part of the country you come from, no matter what part of the city you live in, we want to make Peterborough the best place to visit ever. And the only way to get the future of Peterborough being brilliant is to ask the people who are the future of Peterborough. So who are they? Who are the future of our city? Who's going to make the decisions in 10 years' time? Who's going to be the people working? Who are going to be the people that might even be the mayor? We want you to start making decisions about what Peterborough is going to be like. What are the possibilities for Peterborough?
What would you change about Peterborough?
What do you think would make Peterborough better?
What do you love about living in Peterborough?
Today we're going to talk to local school kids about what's great and what's not so great about the built environment that we can see from the town hall. So we're going to be asking them what buildings are the ugliest, which are the nicest, and what even ugly buildings have that they might like. So that's what we're hoping to do in our workshop.
So we're going to ask them what they like about the buildings, what they don't like about the buildings, how the buildings make them feel, what sort of buildings look the oldest and why they look the oldest.
We've never done it with kids, so it'll be interesting to see what their reactions are.
What's your favourite place in Peterborough? Do you go to restaurants in Peterborough? Do you work in Peterborough?
I was talking to the kids today about what climate change is actually going to mean for them, because sometimes it can be a bit of an abstract thing, and the fact that, yeah, it's brilliant that we're going to have hot summers, but actually hot summers might not be such a good thing, and yeah, rain's brilliant, but actually if it floods and you can't get to the swings and you can't get anywhere, not quite so much fun. And the predictions for sea level rises put Peterborough possibly ending up by the sea instead of being an inland place. And so I think it helps the kids to bring it home to them how much it's going to affect them, to find out that Peterborough is one of the main places that could be affected if the sea levels rise, rather than, oh well, it affects somewhere else and it's nothing to do with us. I think it's a lot easier to want to care if it's about your place. If someone's telling you, well, the climate's going to change and that's going to affect people in Africa, yes, they might care about it, but it's harder to relate it. They need to think about the place where they live and how it might change, and it's a lot easier for them to understand what's going on if that's what they can relate it to. And then once they can get that, then they might be able to empathise with other places. But essentially, they've got to understand how it's going to affect them and their lives, and then it's easier for them to make a difference.
How long have you lived in Peterborough?
What's your favourite place to visit in Peterborough? What would you change about Peterborough?
If we'd done this at school, you wouldn't have had the impact of coming here to Town Hall with the Mayor, being just in the parlour next door, and you know, Louise here and John here and all the staff from Railworld. I think the children just get a sense that they are important, and what they think is really, really important to what's going to happen in our city. I think they're just getting a chance to be treated like the children of the future, who are going to have decision-making power.
There's lots and lots of activities going in Peterborough all the time where kids are invited to take part and share an opinion, find out more about stuff, so just to get involved.